Good morning, dear student. In the previous class, we have discussed about the methods of calculating elasticity of supply. These are percentage or proportionate method. Today, in today's class, we are going to discuss about 5 degrees. That is the important chapter in topic. That is the 5 degrees of elasticity of supply. If we talk about the degrees, we categorize the degrees into the 5. Number first, perfectly elastic supply. Second one is perfectly inelastic supply. Third one is highly elastic or more than elastic supply. Fourth one is less than elastic or less than unit elastic supply. And the last fifth one is unitary elastic supply. At the today's class, we will discuss about these 5 degrees, we can say 5 types, also you can say 5 types of elasticity of supply. Let us discuss these one by one. First, perfectly elastic supply. Perfectly elastic supply, it simply means that, or we can say es is equals to 0. Es here means elasticity of supply. If the perfectly elastic supply, es is equals to infinity. Infinity means infinity we can obtain when 3 divided by 0. 3 upon 0 is infinity, remember, and 0 upon 3 is equals to 0. Or in a simple example, how we can differentiate between the 0 and the infinity, let us understand with the help of an example. Now 3 banana, let us, 3 is the numerator, 3 banana have to be divided to 0%. The value cannot be obtained, that is infinity. But if there is 0 banana, have to distribute among the 3 persons. 0 upon 3 becomes 0, but 3 upon 0 becomes infinity. Now, what does it mean, perfectly elastic supply? If there is a no change in price, if price remains constant and the supply increases or decreases, this condition is called perfectly elastic supply. In this case, the supply curve moves parallel to x-axis. You might be seeing in the graph SS is the supply curve here, and it's moving to OQ, parallel to OQ line. X-axis, or the we can say horizontal line, horizontal, it's moving horizontal line parallel to horizontal line, SS line. This is called, now numerical example, you will find price is always constant, 30 30 and 30, but the supply is 100 200 and 300. Price is unchanged, but the supply is increasing and decreasing. This case is called perfectly elastic supply. Remember, in perfectly elastic supply, supply curve moves parallel to horizontal or x-axis. Second, perfectly inelastic supply, it's up, or we can say es is equals to 0. In the whence, now in this case is opposite of the perfectly elastic, it is perfectly inelastic. Now in this case, either price goes up or goes down, quantity supplied remains constant. In the earlier case, price was constant. In this case, supply remains constant, either the price goes up or goes down. When the supply does not change with the change in price, supply do not change, and as a result the supply curve moves parallel to y-axis or the vertical axis. Now let us see the schedule. Price is 20 and 40, fall from 30 to 20 and increase from 30 to 40. You will find that supply is constant, that is 20 20 20. Again same thing, if you will plot in the graph, you will find the SS line parallel to the y-axis or the or the vertical axis. Now generally, are there any goods whose demand is perfectly elastic and perfectly inelastic? Remember, these three conditions: perfectly elastic, perfectly inelastic, and unitary elastic. Both three conditions are imaginary, which are rarely found in the real life. In practical life, we will find it. In practical life, only we will find the more than unit elastic supply or elastic supply, which is also called elastic supply, or inelastic supply, which is known as less than unit elastic supply. Now third we are going to discuss, that is highly, or highly means more than one. If your coefficient's value by calculation, if it comes more than 1, let's say 1.25, 2, 3, 5, 8, 10, these all values are more than 1, then the supply will be considered highly elastic, or it is also known as more than unit. Unit means 1, unit means 1, more than 1, then it becomes a elastic supply, or somewhere you will find the elastic supply also. Now clearly it is written, when percentage change in quantity supplied more. Now if price is changed by 2% and the supply is changed by 5%. Now in this case, now 5% upon 2% is equals to 2.5%. 2.5% is more than 1. Then you will easily find out that the supply of the commodity is more than unit elastic. Now in this case, remember, supply changes faster than change in the price. Change here means both increase or decrease. Both. If supply responded faster than the price, then it is called highly elastic supply. Now let us understand with the help of an example. Price was 10 and increased to 15. Now the price increased by 50%, but supply earlier was 100 and now it is increased to 200, means there was a 100% change in the price. Supply price change was in 50%, but the supply change is 100%. Now the value of ES comes to 2, because we apply the formula elasticity of supply is equals to percentage change in price upon percentage change in supply upon percentage change in price. Graphically, if you show it graphically, it is more uh, horizontal, or you can say flatter. You will find the curve more flatter in compare of the others. Flatter means which little bit moves toward the x-axis. Now fourth one, less than unit elastic or less elastic supply, or somewhere you will find the inelastic supply. In inelastic supply is the just opposite of the third case. In third case, we saw that percentage change in supply is faster than the percentage change in price, but in this case reverse, percentage change in supply becomes lesser than the percentage change in price, or we can say percentage change in price is higher than the percentage change in supply. In this case, the supply curve becomes steeper means तिरछा आड़ा हो जाता है, या खड़ा होना बोलते हैं इसे. Okay, now with the help of a same example, price 10 from 15 increased 50%, but the supply only increased 20%, 100 to 120. If the supply changes lesser than in compare of the price, then it is called the less elastic supply. Last one, unitary elastic supply. In unitary elastic supply, both percentage change in supply and percentage change in price both becomes equal. If price is changed by 100% and the supply is also changed by 100%. If both the ratio of the both is equal, then 100% upon 100% is equals to 1. Then if the exact value comes to 1, then it is called the unitary elastic supply. The shape of the supply curve is exactly 45 degree, because x-axis and y-axis makes a 90 degree, and if we divide the whole part into equal two parts, that is the OSS, you can see in the graph, OSS is equidistance from, equi का मतलब equal distance from x axis and y axis. Then if it is equidistance from the x and y axis, then it is definitely of the 45 degree. So now let us understand with the help of a schedule. Price increased by 50%, supply is also increased by 100 to 150, 50%. Then it is called ES is equals to 1. For today, I hope so it's enough, and we will discuss next topic in the another class. Thank you.